So this question says the ratio of Paula's age in years to Quinn's age in months is 3 to 8. The ratio of Quinn's age in years to Rashmi's age in months is 5 to 21. What's the ratio of Paula's age in years to Rashmi's age in years? And we need to express our answer as a common ratio in simplest terms. Alright, so the first thing that should stick out to you is that we're comparing in the first sentence Paula's age to years in years to Quinn's age in months. So we have this ratio, but their ages aren't like in a 3 to 8 ratio because one is in years while the other is in months. So the first thing we want to do is to get this into a ratio with constant units. Since months are smaller than years and we don't want any decimals or anything, let's just convert everything to months. So we know there are 12 months in 1 year. So we know that if the ratio in years to months is 3 to 8, well, 3 years is equal to like 3 times 12 months, right? Because there's 12 months in a year. So this in months would be 3 times 12 or 36 months. So now if we want to find the ratio of Paula's age in months to Quinn's age in months, it's going to be 36 to 8, or we can simplify this by dividing by 4 both things to get 9 to 2. Okay, now it says the ratio of Quinn's age in years to Rashmi's age in months is 5 to 21. Let's do the same thing. Let's convert this years to months. So 12 months in a year. In months, Quinn's age is going to be 5 times 12, or 60. So this is a 60 to 21 ratio, and we can divide both sides by 3 to get 20 to 7. So if we know that the ratio of Paula's age in months to Quinn's age in months is 9 to 2, and then the ratio of Quinn's age in months to Rashmi's age in months is 20 to 7, we need to find the ratio of Paula's age to Rashmi's age. So to do that, we're going to have to use Quinn as like an intermediary, because we don't know directly how to get from Paula to Rashmi, but we do know how to get from Paula to Quinn, and then from Quinn to Rashmi. So let's try to get Quinn to be the same in between them, because if we can find, well, what value of Paula is 20 for Quinn, well, that's just equal to 20 for Quinn, which is equal to 7 for Rashmi, right? So to get from 2 to 20 for Quinn, we have to multiply by 10. So since this is a ratio, this ratio will remain the same if we do the same thing to the other side. So this ends up being 90. So Paula to Quinn age ratio is 90 to 20. I mean, we can see how that's like the same as 9 to 2. But now, since we have 20 is the same between both ratios, well, we can say the ratio from Paula to Quinn to Rashmi is going to be 90 to 20, and then Rashmi to Quinn is going to be, Quinn to Rashmi is going to be 20 to 7. So the ratio of Paula's age in years, this is months. The ratio of Paula's age in months to Rashmi's age in months is going to be 90 to 7. And some of you might be thinking, well, now we have to convert this to years. But if we do convert this to years, all we're going to be doing is dividing both sides by 12. And since we're doing this to both sides, it actually doesn't change the ratio at all. So the ratio of ages from months to months is going to be the same as the ratio of ages from years to years. So our final answer is 90 to 7.